One day, Jaden was walking down the school halls, peacefully, thinking about his homework, when suddenly out jumped the Magic Man. Who are you? I'm the Magic Man. What do you do? Magic. Oh. I see. Boy Cube. What? No. Why? Meanie. I don't like you. No. Jaden had transformed into an ice cube. What? Yup. You mean like the ice cube? Yup, the ice cube. A water, the solid form of water. This means that its molecules, which are those tiny things inside of him, are more tightly spaced together. Therefore, he can hold his own shape, and it's easier to move around. Jaden went flying into the refrigerator. Whoa! He was very shocked by what had just happened. He didn't understand anything. Jaden heard people outside saying, Daddy, my hot chocolate's too hot. Of course, son. That's why it's called hot chocolate. But please, can you get me some ice? Okay, fine. He heard footsteps coming nearer and nearer. When suddenly a man opened the door and took Jaden with him. What? No, I was innocent. No, I was innocent. Jaden was thrown into a cup of hot chocolate. No. Jaden, being a solid, he sank to the bottom of the chocolate cup. No. But Jaden started to melt. He transformed. He wasn't a solid anymore. He became a liquid. Wait, so I won't be myself anymore? Yup. Okay. A liquid means that, as you can see here, a liquid means its molecules are farther spaced out than a solid, and this means that it needs something to hold it in place. And if you move it, you'll be able to move it really quickly. What? No! Why? Jaden sank to the bottom of the hot chocolate, spreading more and more, since he had no control over his body. No. But some reason, Jaden was floating to the top. What had happened? Jaden had become a gas. This means that a gas meant that a liquid had become even more hot, and it had been forced to transform into a gas. As you can see from a couple of slides ago, a gas is when you melt a liquid and the molecules spread even farther apart, and it is really easy to move. But sometimes gases are so fine that you can't even see them. Jaden floated out of the hot chocolate and out of the window. No, what's happening? I can't control myself. Jaden floated up into the big blue sky. What? Really? Yup. No. I don't want to die. Where Jaden met a cloud. Hello, Mr. Cloud. Hello. Could I maybe stay with you? Because you're not floating any higher. And I don't want to die. Okay. So Jaden joined up with the cloud, and they had adventures throughout the land, floating. One day, after lots of more and more gases had arrived in the cloud turned gray. And this meant that the cloud had contained more water than a usual white cloud. Therefore, it rained. Jaden turned back into water droplets and fell to the ground. Woo! Jaden saw a lake under him and he splashed into the lake. Jaden's molecules being still spread out apart, he followed the current for days and days and days, watching the fish swim and humans making ripples in the water. Ooh, it was quite an amazing sight. One day, the lake froze. Jaden had turned back into ice. His molecules were back together again. Yes, it was amazing. But Jaden didn't think the same. He said, "Oh no, not this again. These are my sources.